Android 15 is getting a very vanilla codename. Have you tried out Android 14 yet? Odds are, probably not, as Google only released its first developer preview a month ago, and we've still got a ways to go before it's time for the beta. But even with so many of us still waiting to get our first taste of Android 14 upside-down cake, development efforts are already looking far past it, out towards the future. Android the 15th of May still be a solid year out, but we've just learned what V-word dessert codename devs are using for it as they get to work. As anyone with even a passing interest in Android history knows, major platform releases have long been associated with development codenames playfully assigned after popular desserts. From the early days of Cupcake and Donut, we saw Android mature with Gingerbread and Jelly Bean, and even go commercial with Kit Kat and Oreo. But in recent years, Google has seriously downplayed the use of these names, and they've largely been relegated back to their initial dev-only status. Still, none of that leave us any less curious about what the next name's going to be, and today, Mashal Rahman shares our first clear evidence of the Android 15 Volt's name: Vanilla Ice Cream. The string pops up in some AOSP commits, but frankly, what other V-dessert was this possibly going to be? Vienna Fingers? Volcano Cakes? Vanilla something or other was definitely the safe bet, although we will concede that we're slightly surprised to see a return to ice cream here, echoing the name of Android 4 ice cream sandwich. Not to mention the spiritual connection to Froyo. Of course, it did not take any time at all for the vanilla Android, as in, plain, Android, jokes to start pouring in. Our Slack log confirms a mere 21 seconds, actually. By the time Android 15 matures, and we finally start seeing other companies develop their own skins built on it, you can bet that this punny trend is only going to increase.